Want better gaming performance on Windows 11? I'll show you how to optimize your PC for gaming using only the Windows search bar. First, click Search, type Performance, and open Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Select Adjust for best performance, then click Apply. Next, open Search, type Defragment, and select Defragment and Optimize Drives. Choose your main drive and click Optimize. After that, search for Disk Cleanup. Open it. Select your system drive and remove unnecessary files. Now, search Advanced Display. Open it, and set your monitor to the highest refresh rate available. Moving on, search Startup Apps. Open it, and disable apps you don't need at startup. Then, search Game Mode and turn it on. Finally, open Graphics Settings. Click Change Default Graphics Settings, and enable optimizations for windowed games. That's it. Your Windows 11 is now optimized for gaming. Like, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy smoother gameplay.